Concerns over coronavirus have people stocking up, leaving the shelves empty, but you might have all the ingredients you need to make your own at home. Don't worry, making your own hand sanitizer is remarkably easy. You just have to be careful you don't mess it up. Make sure that the tools you use for mixing are properly sanitized, otherwise you could contaminate the whole thing. Before busting out the vodka and turning your kitchen into a lab, watch this video. In this video you will learn how to make hand sanitizer with rubbing alcohol, 70% isopropyl alcohol, essential oils, fresh aloe vera plant or leaf. How to make hand sanitizer with rubbing alcohol. Most commercial hand sanitizers are alcohol-based. That makes a lot of sense because alcohol kills bacteria. 1. Use a small bottle, travel size, fill the bowl 3/4 of the way with rubbing alcohol, 91% or above. 2. Add a few drops of essential oils of your choice, lavender oil or tea tree oil works great. 3. Fill the rest of the bowl with distilled water. 4. Mix everything together. You can use aloe vera gel instead of distilled water if you prefer to use gel instead of spray. How to make hand sanitizer with 70% isopropyl alcohol. If you can't find 91% or above isopropyl alcohol, you can try to use a 70% one instead. Centers for Disease Control recommends that hand sanitizers be at least 60% in alcohol content. This method is good for those who want to make hand sanitizer spray. 1. Using a small travel size spray bottle, fill the entire bottle with 70% isopropyl alcohol. 2. Add a few drops of essential oils of your choice. 3. Mix everything together. How to make hand sanitizer with essential oils. If you have sensitive skin or if you prefer to go all natural, there is a way to make hand sanitizers using only essential oils and natural ingredients. The Centers for Disease Control requires hand sanitizers to have at least 60% alcohol. The recipe below is not a substitute for alcohol-based sanitizers. 1. Using a small bottle, travel size, add 5 to 10 drops essential oil of choice. 2. Add 6 drops each of lemon, orange or tea tree oil. 3. Add some distilled water. 4. Mix everything together. You can use aloe vera gel instead of distilled water if you prefer to use gel instead. Aloe is also great for reducing inflammation and soothing your skin. How to make hand sanitizer with fresh aloe vera plant or leaf. If you prefer to make your own aloe vera gel for your hand sanitizers, you can make them easily at home with a few simple tools. Here's how to make hand sanitizers with fresh aloe vera plant or leaf. 1. Cut off a fresh aloe leaf from a plant, or you can get a fresh one from the store. 2. Wash it and let the leaf stand upright in a bowl for 15 minutes. This helps to drain out the yellow resin. The resin contains latex which could irritate skin. That's why this step is important. 3. After 15 minutes, check to make sure that all resin has drained, then peel off the thick skin of the aloe leaf with a peeler. 4. Scoop the aloe gel under the skin into a blender. 5. Blend for a few seconds until the gel is liquidy. Your aloe gel is now ready. Aloe gel made this way can be stored in the fridge for 1 week. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you next time. Bye.